Oo. Yung pagka mga ganito, yan, okay lang yan. Try ka na. Pero ano, yun yung talagang surprise.
Yeah. For those of you watching at home, the clouds are back here on top of the racetrack as we are about to get ready. Let's go. Let's see how this starts. The visors are down, the lights are on, and they're off. Fantastic start here by TJ Alberto, getting in front of Dashi Watanabe. Heading into the first turn, TJ Alberto leading the way, followed by Marvin Magulabdan. Dashi Watanabe is your top three.
So nabaliktad ngayon yung situation, no? TJ getting a good start, followed by Marvin. Nagkaroon ng big wheelie si Dashi, I think, on second year.
TJ Alberto, Friday, if you're just joining us, Friday broke the... Oh, there's a little bit of a bump there between Dashi and Marvin.
Dashi not allowing any gap.
But TJ, his bike was damaged on Friday. Access Plus Racing managed to fix it. He joined the qualifying the following day, managed to qualify top 3. And here he is again, leading the way in the final race of leg number 3 for the Philippine Superbikes.
And mukhang okay pa rin yung condition. Nakikita natin na they're still pushing their bikes.
Again, these 3 riders right here, you can argue the fastest riders dito sa Pilipinas. All former champions. As the 3 of them are still neck and neck as they cross the start-finish line to complete their first lap. Alberto leading the way, Watanabe second, Mangulabdan third, as Dashi Watanabe battling for that position there in the first turn, takes it from Alberto. Dashi Watanabe getting more and more used to that bike as the season progresses, and you see him getting a little bit more confident every race. Finally got his first race win in race number 1 earlier this morning. TJ Alberto coming back from a damaged bike 2 days ago. His team fixed it, got it ready, and here he is back on the track. And right behind the 2 of them, Marvin Magulabdan, a former champion himself and race winner here in the 2022 Philippine Superbike Championship, showing why he is a very formidable foe.
So ayan, dikit na dikit pa rin silang tatlo. Still anybody's game. So yellow flag.
So the yellow flags are out. That's in the back part of BRC heading into the main straight. But it's still Watanabe, Alberto, Mangulabdan.
Mukhang okay pa rin yung condition ng track, no? Hindi natin nakikita nag-slow down sila, still doing 1 minute 35.
Watanabe with the fastest time on the track in this race, 1:35.70. Alberto following, or I should say Marvin Magulabdan following 1:35.8. And TJ Alberto 1:36.0.
If Dashi maintains this position and wins this race, baka siya na ang second overall natin sa championship, no? So,
maybe we can get a confirmation on that, but from the math in my head, it does seem like he would overtake Marvin for the second spot for the season.
Yeah, and makikita natin ngayon yung ride nila, no? Hindi natin siya nakikita nag-struggle, flowing lang, him and Marvin, TJ having a lot of wobble, coming out of second turn and third corner.
So but what does that do for your confidence, Lorraine? Especially because he hasn't won in so long, but to get that first race win, his confidence should be at an all-time high now.
Mga 10 horsepower siguro. Mga plus 100 cc. Malaking factor 'yun. No? And again, motorsports, any sport, confidence game 'yan. Yung flow mo, nandyan. Of course, yung kanina, tingnan mo, napakaliit na space, pero minake sure niya maka-overtake agad siya kay Marvin. And then, ganun din kay Tej. Very unusual yung first corner kasi we all know na TJ is heartbreaker din, pero nakapag-inside siya ng malinis without contact. So, talagang, yun, sa tingin ko, plus 100% confidence from the win earlier.
The three of them still not giving anyone an inch.
And if you see their lap times, no, all doing 135.6, TJ and Marvin doing 135.7. So hindi ka pwede magkamali kahit 0.2. Makaka-overtake ang dalawa sa kanila.
That's just a great shot there of the Batangas racing circuit as we head towards the last turn once again. Watanabi still leading the way here to Alberto and Mangulabnan. TJ Alberto looks like he's going to try and make a move here heading into turn number 1. And Dashi said no, not yet.
So there's a back marker. I'm sure nakita niya na siguro ang blue flag.
Meanwhile, peeve number 4, Lomac, has managed to jump a couple of places. It's Ren C that they are overtaking there as the back marker. Ren C, of course, kitang-kita siya because medyo matangkad siya.
And may kita natin dito sa third corner, no? Si Dashi naiiba yung racing line niya. Kiniklip niya na mas maaga yung apex sa third corner, while TJ and Marvin uses outer most lane. So Marvin overtook TJ on that part.
And it looks like Marvin here is trying to overtake Dashi but can't make it stick. TJ Alberto almost made him pay for that move. Wow, the three of them is just fantastic watching these three guys go at it.
And sobrang bilis niyang lap time na yan, no? Para magpalit-palit sila ng position. Siguro nakikita natin ngayon on our wide angle screen na parang madaling mag-overtake, pero riding on that pace, medyo halos wala ka ng time mag-isip kung saan ka dadaan, saan ka overtake. Laps to go for the three riders in our screen. First, Dashi Watanabe, followed by TJ Alberto, having a big wobble.
But he manages to can't land it though. And he had to give up that spot to Marvin Mangulabnan. So it's Watanabe, Mangulabnan, Alberto.
They're all really pushing it, no? Kitang-kita mo, buti walang naging contact.
But that's how good that these three are. Because there were several close calls already. At sabi mo nga, at that pace, most people won't have time to know how to react.
Oo. And dun sa nangyari kay TJ sa third corner, no, hindi ko alam kung nag-wobble siya and then tinuloy na lang niya sa inside kesa may tamaan siya sa exit or mag-wide. And then, not knowing na sobrang dikit ni Marvin, pero naiwasan pa rin niya.
Oo.
So they are approaching their last lap.
Marvin Mangulabnan trying to apply some pressure here on Dashi Watanabe as they enter their last lap. Here they are in the main straight. Mangolabnan. Will he make a move? No, not in the first turn. It's still Watanabe, Mangolabnan, Alberto, followed by Lomac. P4.
So pare-pares pa rin silang 135.6. Both Dashi and Marvin. And it's still
That's a Kawasaki, followed by a BMW and then a Ducati. Here's Marvin. He's trying to make a move here. No, he's not. He decides not to.
they're all trying to use lahat ng available track space.
So it looks like the weather will not play a factor here. As Marvin Mangolabnan looks like he's making his move here in the final section, but Alberto sneaks in between the two! TJ Alberto, sneaky! Getting past both of them as we enter the final chicane, heading into the last turn. TJ Alberto picked his spots there to get by both of them. Into the last turn we go. Main straight. It looks like TJ Alberto managed to sneak by for the race win. Fantastic job, TJ. Look at him celebrate.